Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to grow large and sweet radishes right at home. Whether you have a backyard garden or just a small space on your balcony, this guide will help you cultivate delicious radishes that your family will love. Let's get started. First, let's gather all the materials you'll need to grow radishes successfully. 1. Radish seeds. Varieties like daikon, French breakfast, or cherry bell are great choices. 2. Garden soil or potting mix. 3. Compost or organic fertilizer. 4. A watering can or garden hose. 5. A garden trowel or small shovel. 6. Containers or garden beds. 7. Mulch, which is optional. Make sure to choose a radish variety known for large and sweet tubers, like the daikon radish. Now let's move on to preparing the soil. Radishes thrive in loose, well-draining soil. Here's how to prepare your soil for optimal growth. Start by loosening the soil to a depth of about 12 inches. Mix in compost or organic fertilizer to enrich the soil with nutrients. Ensure the soil is free of rocks and debris to allow the radishes to grow freely. Proper soil preparation is crucial for growing large radishes. Now that our soil is ready, let's move on to planting the seeds. Radish seeds are tiny, so be careful when planting them. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create shallow furrows about ½ inch deep and 2 inches apart. Sprinkle the seeds evenly along the furrows, spacing them about 1 inch apart. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and gently pat it down. After planting, water the soil gently to keep it moist. Radish seeds germinate quickly, usually within 3 to 7 days. Now that our radish seeds are planted, let's talk about how to care for them as they grow. Once the seedlings are about 1 inch tall, thin them out so they are about 2 to 3 inches apart. This gives each radish enough space to grow large tubers. Keep the soil consistently moist but avoid overwatering, as radishes don't like soggy soil. If you're growing radishes in a hot climate, use mulch to retain soil moisture and keep the roots cool. Radishes grow quickly and you can start harvesting them in about 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the variety. Harvesting radishes at the right time ensures they are large and sweet. Here's how to know when they're ready. Check the size of the radish tops peeking out of the soil. They should be about 1 inch in diameter. Gently pull the radish out of the soil. If it resists, use a garden trowel to loosen the soil around it. Look at this beautiful radish. It's large, firm, and ready to eat. Remember, radishes can become woody if left in the ground too long, so it's important to harvest them at the right time. Here are a few extra tips to ensure your radishes are sweet and delicious. Plant radishes in cooler weather. They grow best in spring and fall. Provide consistent moisture, but don't let the soil become waterlogged. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers, as they can promote leaf growth over tuber development. With these tips, you'll be able to grow radishes that are not only large but also sweet and tasty. Thank you for joining me today. Growing radishes at home is a rewarding and easy way to enjoy fresh, healthy vegetables. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tutorials. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.